So this is the US 30 analysis for Tuesday the 21st of November. Now let's have a look what happened with prices on the 20th. So on the 20th we were saying that in around at 23.70 we were looking for possible buy side momentum, but really we're looking at 23.250 in around this zone here marked in red. But we did mention this zone as well. Now we did see momentum coming into the market from that 23 to 70 region, and we did trade all the way up even past successful navigate the 200 period moving average here in blue and the 400 period moving average here in black. Now we've not quite got up to that 23,480, but at present, due to the candles that we are seeing, we do look poised to. We've got these candles with small bodies, usually indicating it's more of a retracement than a reversal. If we had candles with large bodies, like over here on the left, for example, we'd expect a reversal. So if we did see large candles similar to those over on this side, and they were bearish, we would expect a reversal. But as they are quite small in nature, somewhat indecisive, maybe due to the we are trading outside normal market hours, that's probably explains the volatility. But apart from that, the usually small bodies with wicks to either side indicates more of a retracement than a reversal, and we will be poised for upside momentum. So if we do get if like I'm forecasting, we do get the buy side momentum coming to market, we look to see our price react to 23,480, where we do see more sell side momentum in the market, taking us all the way back down to 23,280. So if we do get up to 23,480 and we do see a lot of sell side momentum coming to the market, we'll be targeting at 23,280, beyond which we look at 23,250 for potential areas where we could see some buy side momentum come back into the market. If we do successfully navigate 23,480, the next level we'll be looking at is all the way up at 23,600. Yes, it's all about 23,600, and we did have a previous swing in and around this 23,580, but I'll say 23,600. 23,600 would be the level that we are looking at for potential sell side momentum and some weakness to come into the market. If however we do turn around where we are at present, we'll be targeting that 23,350 possibly before we look at 23,350 possibly before we start to look at 23,270, below which we got 23,250, and below that we got 23,200. Depending on market volatility, I can't anticipate price to move much beyond 23,200, but if we do successfully navigate 23,200, we're looking at 23,000 mark for the next potential major level for us to see more buy side momentum enter the market in regards to the US 30. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart. The weekly and monthly are in a very strong uptrend, so it's difficult. We can't really ascertain much from that. We'll have a look at the daily chart and maybe let's get a picture here. So on this daily chart, we've pulled back from the highs around the 23,600 mark, and we are in a bit of a consolidation. Slightly below the 20 period moving average. Currently the 20 period moving average, we're going to see where that 20 period moving average is actually. 20 period moving average is currently at 23,432. So we're pretty close to it actually. 23,432. So we'll see our price react to 23,432. But currently we're in a bit of a consolidation. As you can see on this daily chart as well, we're in a very, very strong uptrend. And it's a similar story on the monthly and the weekly time frame. So we'll just see how price develop from here. Again, we're looking for potential buying opportunities. We do look poised for another retest of the 23,480 and the 23,600 mark as mentioned. So that should wrap up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.